there! Hey, if you'd like to learn an easy bossa nova strum to spice up some of your music, you're in the right place. Hi there, I'm Thomas Michaud from Real Guitar Success. You knew that. But if you are new here, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel right now so I can send you some more great guitar lessons and learning tips. I love bossa nova. I think it reminds me of beautiful, exotic, tropical places. That said, I'm no expert at bossa nova guitar. There are many advanced lessons on YouTube done by very competent players in that style. That said, I really enjoy playing bossa nova, and if you want to learn a good basic strum in a step-by-step manner, you're in the right place. I do remember when I first saw somebody play bossa nova guitar, it looked so complicated to me. I think the main issue is it was using this syncopated rhythm pattern that I just wasn't accustomed to. It's not something I was brought up with. So in my mind, it would be something that would be terribly difficult to learn. But I found, like anything else, by taking something basic to start off with, breaking it down, learning it bit by bit, and putting it all together, I've been able to play some nice rhythm patterns, and I can do it naturally and fairly easily. You can too. If you follow this video and the step-by-step lesson I'm going to give you, you'll be playing this and having a great time with it in no time. In this video, first I'm going to play the whole pattern for you and kind of show you how it goes. Then I'm going to break it down into parts, and we'll work on each of the parts separately and then put them back together. Finally, we'll add a chord that you can use with it. And once you're accomplished with that chord, I'll add some little subtleties, embellishments we'll call them, to add something to the sound with the chord. Then finally, if you're ready and you're done fine with the material so far, I'll show you a little more elaborate chord progression that you can use to practice the pattern. So this is something that you can use on a nylon string guitar. It's possible to play on a steel string. A lot of people do use a hollow body jazz type guitar. I think you'll find if you have a choice, if you can use a nylon, it's easiest to learn on a nylon string guitar. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. So now here's the whole pattern. Now take a look at the rhythm pattern, the chart. You'll notice I'm using a B to indicate when you play the bass note and a C when you play the chord. We're playing the bass note with our thumb and the chord with our first, second, and third fingers. By the way, you will need to use your fingers for this. So I've broken it down into two measures to make it easier to learn. The first measure, you play the bass and the chord together. Then the second beat, just the chord. Then for the third beat, you hit the bass note, and on the up of the third beat, or the end we'll call it, the chord, nothing on the 4, it's sustaining through the 4, and then the upbeat of the end of 4. Now in the second measure, we start with the bass note for the downbeat of 1, up for the chord, nothing on 2, and then up on the end of 2, bass note on 3, and then the chord on 4. Altogether, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. Okay, let's work on the first half. We're going to just block the strings, no chord, just to work on the rhythm pattern, and then we'll add a chord to it after. So start off with your thumb on the 5th string, and your first, second, and third fingers on the 4th string, 3rd string, and 2nd string. My 3rd finger is on the 2nd string. So the basic motion is the thumb goes down and the fingers come into your palm. Try not to yank your hand away. It delays too much. It takes too much time to get back and get in the right place. So thumb down, fingers to palm. Practice for a minute all together, thumb and fingers. You're going to use that motion several times, and sometimes separately, thumb separate and the fingers separate. Okay, I'd encourage you to practice that just a little bit before we go on to the pattern. But I'll assume you're ready. We're going to start off with that first half, and I want you to look one more time at the rhythm pattern. Just the first measure, the first half. I'm starting off by the beat 1, the bass and the chord together. Then I play the chord for beat 2, bass on beat 3, and then on the end of beat 3, the chord, nothing on 4, and then the chord on the end of 4. So listen as I count it out. First all together on beat 1. 1, chord, 2, 3, and 4, and. With a chord without 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Now try that with me. Well, the first half, do the bass and the chord together. Ready, go. Now for beat 2, just the chord, up. Try those two together. Here we go. We'll count 1, 2. Ready, go. 1 all together, and then 2, chord. Now we'll add 3. The 3 is just the bass note, and then on the end of 3, the chord. So first 3 beats. Ready, go. Bass and chord together. 1, chord, 2, bass, and chord. Again, listen. 1, 2, bass, chord, and then comes 4, nothing on 4, and then on the end of 4, chord. So all together, 4 beats. Ready, go. Bass and chord together. Chord on 2, bass, chord, nothing, chord. Try it again with me. Ready, go. Bass and chord. Chord, bass, chord, nothing, chord. Okay, that's the first half. Now let's go ahead and do that second half. For beat 1, we're going to do the bass note, down with the thumb, and then on the end of beat 1, the chord, up. Nothing on beat 2, down, space, and then up on the end of beat 2. So the first half of that measure is bass, chord, nothing, chord. 1, and 2, and. Let's go on. Beat 3 is a bass note, and then beat 4 is the chord. So altogether, beats 1 through 4 is 1, and, nothing, and, 3, 4. 1, and, 2, and, 3, 4. Another way to say it would be bass, chord, nothing, chord, bass, chord. Okay, practice that and we'll put it all together. Let's try it together. Ready, play. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Second measure, 1, and 2, and 3, 4. One more time. Play bass and chord to start. Ready, go. 1, chord, bass, chord, nothing, chord, bass, chord, nothing, chord, bass, chord. Okay, now you're ready for a chord. We're going to do the D minor 9 chord. This is not a very difficult chord, but it sounds good for the style of music. So it looks like this. We're going to put the second finger on the 5th string, 5th fret. I'm going to skip the 4th string and put my 3rd finger down on the 5th fret, the 3rd string, and next to it the pinky on the 2nd string, 5th fret. So a lot of 5th fret there, and I've got the 1st finger loose. I'm going to put that on the 4th string, 3rd fret. That might be a little bit of a stretch. It just takes practice. And to do it, take your fingers off and then finger it again. Try it with the thumb and all your fingers in the right hand. Take your fingers off and try it again. Now let's put it all together with that D minor 9 chord. First form the chord. Ready? Try it. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. How'd you do? Try it with me again. One more time. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. Okay, now twice in a row. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. Okay, now let me show you a little embellishment. We're going to alternate the bass note. Look at my D minor 9 chord. The bass note is my thumb on the 5th string. That's a D note. We're going to alternate by moving the second finger over to the 6th string 5th fret. That's an A note. So the fingers stay in the same place on the right hand and on the left hand. It's just that second finger that moves back and forth. The D and the A. D, the 5th string, A, 6th string. So often the way we use this alternating bass note is every other beat. So we'll go like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. Try it nice and slow with me. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, start. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. Okay, now if you're ready for this, I'd like to show you a little longer chord progression that you can use to practice it and make it more fun. We're going to need a couple more chords for that. We've already got the D minor 9. We're going to add to that the G13 chord. Looks like this. And a C major 9. Let's do that G13. We're going to put the first finger on the 3rd fret of the 6th string, skip the 5th string, and put the second finger on the 3rd fret of the 4th string? Yes, 4th string. Now we need the 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the 3rd string. That looks right. And then the pinky on the 5th fret? Yes, 5th fret. And that's the 2nd string. So you've got your thumb on the 6th string now. So let's try that chord. And then take it off and put your hand back on. 3rd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, and pinky on the 5th fret. G13, we're going on to the C major 9. We're going to use the 5th string for that. 3rd fret, 2nd finger. On the 4th string, I'm going to put my first finger on the 2nd fret. Now, I've got my pinky on the 3rd string, 4th fret. And finally, the 3rd finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Pretty chord. Let's play that. Thumb on the 5th string. All together. Now for alternating bass notes. For the C major 7, C major 9, it's not C major 7, we're going to alternate by putting the 2nd finger over to the 6th string, 3rd fret. Then you put your thumb over there on the right hand too. Try that a little bit. 5th string, now to the 6th string. 5th string, 6th string. For the A13, we're not going to use the alternating bass note. So now the whole progression sounds like this. Start with the D minor 9, 1 full strum pattern, to the G13, and then 2 full strum patterns on the C major 9. Faster. Thanks for hanging out with me in this lesson. Hey, I've created something that I want to mention to you I think will help you. It's called a Guitar Success Checklist. This is a simple 5-minute exercise, and at the end, you'll be able to download a report that's customized just for you. This type of information can save you months of guitar training practice time if it helps you focus in on exactly what you want to work on and how to organize it. It's free, and I'll include a link down here in the description below. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, do it now. I'll look forward to seeing you again soon. By the way, I'm curious what type of guitar you'll be using for this lesson. If you have a nylon string or if you're going to try it on another type of guitar. Let me know in the comment fields below, and it'll help me to, when I make more videos, to know what you're working with. Take care for now. See you soon.